Intensifier increases the pressure of water by which of the following values? A 10 100 MPa, B 100 200 MPa, C 200 400 MPa, D 400 1000 MPa. The correct answer is 200 400 MPa. What is the expected life of the nozzles used in WJM? A 10 HRS, B 20 HRS, C 100 HRS, D 200 HRS. The correct answer is 200 HRS. What is the general power rating of the hydraulic pump used in WJM? A 10 kilowatts, B 20 kilowatts, C 30 kilowatts, D 40 kilowatts. The correct answer is 30 kilowatts. What are the values of typical tube diameters in the machining system in WJM? A 0.1 to 1 mm, B 1 to 6 mm, C 6 to 14 mm, D 14 to 25 mm. The correct answer is 6 to 14 mm. What are the uses of catcher in machining system of water jet machining? A. Collecting dirt, B. Collection of debris, C. Reduce noise levels, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following are the components of intensifier present in water jet machining system? A. Piston, B. Plunger, C. Limit switch, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following secondary processes are eliminated in water jet machining? A. Grinding of surface, B. Surface treatment, C. Polishing of surface, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. On which property of water will the accumulator in water jet machining rely on? A. Density, B. Compressibility, C. Viscosity, D. Velocity. The correct answer is compressibility. In water jet machining, cuts can be started at which place of workpiece? A. From left, B. From right, C. From middle, D. From any point. The correct answer is from any point. In how many directions can the cutting takes place in water jet machining? A. Unidirectional, B. Bidirectional, C. Multidirectional, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is multidirectional. How many parts are cut using water jet machining on a single blank? A. 1 part, B. 2 parts, C. 3 parts, D. Multiple parts. The correct answer is multiple parts. Which of the following is not an advantage of water jet machining? A. Burr produced is minimal, B. No heat is produced, C. Relatively low hourly rates, D. Environmentally safe. The correct answer is relatively low hourly rates. Which of the following is not a part of machining system of water jet machining? A. Transducer, B. Accumulator, C. Jet cutting nozzle, D. Hydraulic pump. The correct answer is transducer. Which of the following does not damage the nozzle used in water jet machining? A. Particles of dirt, B. Mineral deposits, C. Water, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is water. State whether the following statement is true or false. To start the cuts in water jet machining, pre-drilled holes are not necessary. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. In water jet machining, tool need not require sharpening once the machining is done. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.